Okay, we just show you how to disconnect the remote and the roof together. So next step, I will show you how to set the programming from the between the remote and the roof together. The first step, we need to turn off the power. Turn on power for the roof for more than 15 seconds. Yeah, until the motor is fully power off. Yeah, for 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, and then connect the house power again. Okay, you will hear the motor be a long voice, and then you can use the remote to choose the channel. Like it's display the zero channel from the channel 1 to channel 15. It's all okay. Yeah, you can just choose from channel 1 to channel 15 because the zero channel is to control all of them from channel 1 to channel 15. So we have to choose from the channel 1 to 15, just one of them, and do not choose the channel 0. Yeah. Okay, we can choose the channel 1, and then the motor we just turn off the power and then link the house power again, and we will link the remote to the motor, the remote to the roof. So the roof motor is just to touch the up and down button. Both of them, keep pressing it. Yeah, keep pressing it. And then you can see just now the roof, the phone bar is stretching from left and right side. That means they are connected together. Yeah, we can give it a shot, channel 1, and then yeah, you can see we can touch the remote to control it. Yeah, okay.